Like music and art, love of nature is a common language that can transcend political or social boundaries, says Jimmy Carter, former US President. Respected principal, dear teachers, and my beloved friends, 22nd April is observed as Earth Day internationally to demonstrate support for environmental protection. It also marks the anniversary of the birth of the modern environmental movement in 1970. Our Earth is the only known planet where life is possible. Therefore, it is very essential to maintain the natural assets of the Earth in order to continue life on the Earth. Earth Day is to raise awareness about the importance of our planet. According to UN, despite ongoing efforts, biodiversity is deteriorating worldwide at rates unprecedented in human history. It is estimated that around 1 million animal and plant species are now threatened with extinction. Earth Day focuses on issues like loss of biodiversity, increasing pollution, etc. It is celebrated to raise awareness about the importance of protecting Earth. The theme of Earth Day 2021 is Restore Our Earth. How about discussing our own ways to restore Earth? So friends, I would like to suggest a few ways to restore our Earth. First of all, plant a tree or maintain a small garden as a token of love towards nature. 3 R's are the best way to restore our Earth. Reduce, reuse and recycle waste and plastic can make our Earth a better place. Conserve water and avoid wasting water. Engage in nature walk and enjoy the surroundings. Always choose sustainable and eco-friendly products. So friends, I believe that protecting nature begins with each of us. So let's start doing our bit. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day.